Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of Cookmas.
In today's video, we're going to be making gingerbread cold chocolate.
The ingredients you'll need is some hot chocolate, or cold chocolate, doesn't really matter. Some, whatever this is called, vanilla extract, ground ginger, mixed spice, ground cinnamon, and nutmeg.
You'll also be needing some milk, some whipped cream, also some ice, which is optional, and also some ice cream, but we don't have it today, so we won't be using it. Then you'll be needing some sort of blender to blend it all up, and we're just using our NutriBullet, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're going to add in our ice. So just doing about this much. You can put as much as you like in. Now you want to do your spices, so I'm getting my ground ginger, and you want half a teaspoon. And I probably recommend doing this over a bowl first, so then you don't put it everywhere. Like that. So that. Then you want to do half a teaspoon again of cinnamon.
So now I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Then I'm just going to add a few shakes of mixed spice. Now I'm just going to add the hot chocolate. And now I'm just going to add the milk. It's probably like a cup or so. I'm just going to add it up to the line.
Okay, so now you want to add in your vanilla essence, and you probably want to do just a teaspoon of it to help sweeten it up. Okay guys, so now you want to blend your mixture up.
Okay everyone, so this is the final thing, and we're going to taste test it. That's really good. I'm going to try some.
Tastes exactly like it. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel down below, and also please click the notification button down below to be notified when we upload a new video every Saturday. And also please comment down below if you have any video requests you'd like us to do. We'll be happy to do it for you once this series is over. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.